Welcome back. Today we're prospecting the beach, looking for deposits of black sand that have good quantities of flour gold or micro gold. I'll show you some tips on how to test for these deposits, and after I find a good deposit, I'll load some up in a bucket. We'll take it home and run it through the gold cube. After you locate a deposit of black sand, you want to take something small like a tablespoon, take one scoop, put it in the pan, and test that. Now, I'm looking for ideally 10 colors or so. So far I'm only finding 2 or 3 on average. I found a couple pans with 5, but we will keep searching. Here's testing from 3 different spots, tablespoon each. So panning those out, we had about 4 or 5, 3 to 4, and then around 2 colors apiece. Alright, I think I found our spot where we want to fill up some buckets, but we're going to need a bigger shovel. Alright, now for the moment everyone's been waiting for, to see some clean gold. Now this is like fairy dust. It's super tiny. I mean, you sneeze and the whole thing would just go poof. So we'll see if there's enough to be able to figure out how many colors in a tablespoon, so you can kind of get an idea when you're running your test on the beach or not. So that's enough of my ugly mug. I'll get that weighed up and see what we can come up with. I ended up with 1/10 of a gram, a little more. It's probably not enough to figure out with a tablespoon how many colors equals what for a bucket, but my tests were running about 4 or 5 colors per test pan per tablespoon. So you definitely want to find more than 5 little colors per test pan. But so with that information, you can hit the beach and hopefully find a better spot with more gold, or you can just hang out on the beach and have a great day. I can think of a lot worse places to spend the day prospecting.